Let's make a latte. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Torani vanilla syrup, and I'm gonna pour in a few teaspoons in my mug, probably 2.5, not too much because I don't want it too sweet. And I already had my espresso going in my mocha pot on my stove top, and we're gonna go ahead and pour that in, and we're gonna mix it in with the syrup. Now, little known fact, my mom used to have a mocha pot or cafetera, or as many people call it, a greca, when I was younger, and that's like a reason why I actually have one now. So we're gonna go ahead and also grab our milk frothing pitcher, and I'm gonna pour in some milk that I already had heated up on my stove top. Now, it's not too hot. I would say at the most it's probably warm, and that's exactly how I would like it in order to froth. Now, here's the fun part. We're gonna go ahead and grab our milk frother, our handheld milk frother, and we're gonna go at it. Now, at first it did get a little crazy, but that's okay. Easy cleanup, that's fine. And we're just gonna go ahead and froth away until it does get a little foamy and it does get a little thick. So it's gonna probably take about 2 to 3 minutes to get to that form. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in the milk that I just frothed, and you'll actually get to see how thick and foamy it is at the end too. Look at that, that looks so beautiful. Now, I did actually add some cinnamon since I love cinnamon on my vanilla lattes. As you can tell, I really love cinnamon because I just keep pouring. And another thing that I actually did too, I did grab some sugar in the raw, which is the only sugar that I used, and I just poured a little bit of sugar on the top to have like a little cinnamon dolce, cinnamon sugar type of effect on my vanilla latte. You guys, this looks so good. I'll add the links to everything I used in the comments.